Hey, it's Mike and today I want to talk about Microvision, trades on NASDAQ and the symbol MVIS. The stock rocketed up over 14%, up to 577, closing above the critical $5 level. After hours, Microvision continued its run, soaring another 16.29% up to $6.71. Now, Microvision is following this pattern that I've talked about repeatedly about these sub $5 stocks that begin to show some momentum at around the $2 level. I've talked about how these stocks have a clear run up to $5 and then hits this major point of resistance. And if it can break through $5, then it has a clear path up to $6 and $7 a share. And that's what we're seeing right now. I do think we might get some pullback here just because it's risen so far so fast. This is a 1 month chart. 1 month ago, this stock was at $2.31, and now it is, if you lock in the after hours number, approaching $7 a share. Now, I do think Microvision is a company that's going to do really well over the next year. However, we may get some pullback here. Microvision, for those who are new to the stock, this is a company that creates essentially like an augmented reality sort of applications. I'll just go over to the technology tab here, and you'll see they have two sort of approaches to their technology. One is you get a device that will create this sort of projection on your wall or on your tabletop, and you can actually interact with the projection like a tablet. So you can swipe, you can press buttons, you can do a lot of stuff. This is, I think, a really nice product which could be used in the future. But here's where I'm really excited about the company, why the company is going to go higher. It's their LiDAR technology. I think LiDAR has a lot more uses for it. You could put it in devices that detects people that walks into a room, and then the device can commit to a certain action, like turning on devices or doing other things. Also, LiDAR, I think, is going to be really big for vehicles. We're seeing the Mercedes 2021 S-Class Mercedes beginning to use 3D LiDAR sensors. We're going to see a lot more 3D LiDAR sensors as vehicles become autonomous, and Microvision is one of several companies that's already ahead on automotive 3D LiDAR. Because of that, Microvision's, I believe, is a stock that will continue to grow in 2021 up for the next 5 or 10 years, especially with their 3D LiDAR business. I do think it's probably a takeover target. If it's not a takeover target, this is a company that could easily become a $10 billion company, easily get 1,000% return over the next decade. So that's an annualized return of 100%. Definitely think that's possible. I would not chase at these levels just because I think you're going to get some profit taking. However, any pullback you see in Microvision, go ahead and grab it. I got in early because I follow stocks that tend to be under $5 and they show this kind of move upward. Now, this move upward doesn't always happen with these type of stocks. You do need like a bull market. However, more often than not, you get this sort of momentum, and the momentum just keeps moving up higher. So definitely keep your eye on Microvision. Great price action right here. Grab it on pullbacks. Trades on the NASDAQ under symbol MVIS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.